You should probably love watching the beautiful sunsets, watching the rain in the warmth of a fireplace, or better yet, watching your children playing around and being happy. But guess what? There are some other things that are so satisfying and amazing to watch. Things like amazing and complicated machinery at work, doing their work at their best. Things that only tech maniacs love to watch. Watch till the end. Today, you are going to see some of the most exciting machines and tools out there. The laser tattoo removal machine. Some people love them. They cover their whole bodies with them while others don't even look at them. What am I talking about? Tattoos. But there's another type of people. The ones who get them for whatever reason, and then they want to get rid of them. And this machine is for people like that. Take a look at this laser tattoo removal machine. Tattoos are simply pigments of ink that are injected into the dermis, the skin layer that is just beneath your outer skin. This machine uses a high-intensity light beam to break up those ink colors. It's just satisfying to watch this process of erasure. After all, you don't get to see tattoos erased from skin every day. Of course, the skin won't look the same as before. But for someone who wants their ink gone for good, this one is the only solution for now. Fully automatic glass bottle making machine. Did you know that most of the glass bottles you use have not even been touched by a human in their production process? Meet the glass bottle making machine. This one is not a single machine, but an entire machinery system. And take a look at the process. Once the ingredients are all in, the machine heats them up until they turn into a substance like liquid lava, and off you go. A complex system of shaping, pressuring, and cooling down eventually makes that perfect glass bottle that ends up in your hands. And guess what? This process is at lightning speed that only takes 15 seconds for the machine to make a glass bottle, from start to finish. Incredible, isn't it? Road marking machines. Ever wondered who on earth drew all those lines on those highways and roads, and how? They show up pretty fast and you never see who's doing that. I don't know about you, but I kept wondering about this until I saw this. The road marking machines. Built specifically to mark the roads with signs and colors. These machines use complicated scanning methods and precision mechanisms to draw the lines without even a single mistake. The road is a tough place to handle, even with all the markings, signals, and warnings, especially because of the bad drivers. Imagine what would have happened if these machines made mistakes. Laser engraving machine. You probably have seen lasers at work, especially in the movies. But take a look at this one, and you'll see that advanced laser technology is not a thing of the future, but something that's already here. This laser engraving machine uses a powerful heated laser to engrave marks, symbols, logos, and designs into leather. Its intensity and pressure can be customized to work with a variety of different leathers, and guess what? This machine can engrave anything into the leather in just 25 seconds. And it's fully automatic. The Gelato Swirl machine. We are going to end the list with a mouth-watering sweetness. A gelato machine in action. Have you ever seen how those mesmerizing spirals end up in candy, ice cream, peanut butter, and all the other sweets you eat? The special device used to create these swirl designs is this one, the Swirl machine. Just add the colors and the ingredients to it, then place a nice cup or a holder under it and press the button. The machine will automatically draw a beautiful swirl that brings your appetite to the next level. And the best part is this machine can be programmed to make different styles and designs. So the next time you enjoy your gelista, or the candy or chocolate with such an amazing design, be thankful for the machine that came up with it. Which one blew your mind, my tech maniacs? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and check out our other videos. I'll see you soon in the next one.